Is this recipe guaranteed to electrify your next dinner party? Chad uses enthusiasm. It's super effective.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make duck vol au vent, which is French for duck flies in the wind. That's not the sound ducks make. Fake duck. Hey Leo, why don't you shut the duck up and start the episode? Let's get to it. First up, let's make our mise en place. Mise en place is just a fancy term for get your shit together. Let's get it together. I got these little cups for the show. Can you guess where the treasure is? I'm the treasure. Oh, no, actually I don't need these. That's not the right sound. There it is. Yes. Gonna remove the skin from all the shallots so then we can eat the shallot. Oops, took off too much skin. Story of my life. Why can't you be better? Gonna use 3 shallots here. My eyes are telling me no, but my body is also telling me no. I put it in a tiny tin ramekin. Tiny tin. Please, sir, may I have some more? Wait, no, that's from Oliver Twist. Look at these bad boys. Yeah, let's chop up some jalapenos. Woo, yeah. Woo, yeah. Remove the seeds. Wearing gloves is the best way to avoid jalapeno. It's good. Dice up your jalapeno. Diced jalapenos, 2 of them. We're gonna do half a cup of cream. Yeah, you're so creamy. If you have a little leftover, don't worry, it's totally safe to eat. That's the one. Creamy. Creamy. You don't want a lot of Dijon here. You just want a little Dijon. Yeah! Okay. About 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons of the syrup from the maple, aka Canadian Gold. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Oh yeah. Woo! You want to make sure you pronounce this next ingredient properly, or else you might accidentally raise the dead. Worcestershire sauce.
I'll swallow your soul!
2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce. Now give it a little mixed signals, just like the women in my life. Boop, 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 beep, bop. Bless you, me, us.
Bless they.
I almost forgot our secret ingredient, a teaspoon of citric acid. I'm kidding, don't do that. Next up, you're gonna wanna get yourself some duck confit. Oh yeah, that's a pretty one. Duck confit. Reserve the fat for later. Now let's remove that duck meat. Quit ducking around. Make sure you don't eat too much duck though. The last thing you want is to get addicted to quack. Ugh, you're a wild one. Duck confit basically means that the duck lived a relaxed life because he was so confitable. Save this for later. Woo! We're gonna start with a medium heat. About 2 tablespoons of butter goes in. I'm also gonna toss in our shallots. Boop. Once the shallots are a little bit translucent, we're gonna add in about 1/4 cup of flour. This is called a roux. Keep it moving, you don't want it to stick. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of chicken stock in here. 2 chicken stock. Now mix it all up. Let's make this simmer now. Once it's all smooth, I'm gonna add my Dijon maple syrup and cream mix.
Look at you. Yes.
Keep it moving. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. It's nice and thick. Thick. Cool. Now it's simmered, it's thickened. We're gonna add some spinach. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of spinach here, give or take. Cook down that spinach. Then we're gonna add in our jalapeno. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Once that's in, we're gonna put in our duck meat. That's pretty. Yeah. A little fruchel doofle. A lot of fruchel doofle. A little pinch of gauche sugaru. Also gonna do a couple pinches of salt. Also gonna add in about half a cup of shredded cheese, because things that are cheesy are good, you know? What do you get when you mix sugar, spice, and everything lightly unkind? Powerpuff pastries. Toast up your Powerpuff pastries. Get ourselves a plate. Time to take out the pretty plates. Now spoon your mixture into these little bad boys. It's okay if you make a mess. Messes are completely acceptable here. Just a little pinch of finishing salt on top. Duck vol au vent. You're welcome. And now I eat you. Giant bite, I don't care. Super flaky. Yeah. Oh boy. Like a warm hug. That's so good. Hi. Hi. Little hot sauce. Make this for your friends. Oops. 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 More. Get the duck out of here. Bye, friends. Get in my ducking mouth.